Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? I'm creating this short video just as a follow-up video on the DCA features trading strategy that I have been teaching you and I've also made videos about. And just so that I can remind you, in that strategy I said to set up your Utrading robot strategy, you come over to trades. Okay, let me just point to it. Trades is down here. All right, trades is down there. Okay, you come over to trades. Let me set this thing on do not disturb so that I don't get messages coming. Okay, you come over to trades and then you scroll down to the last option there where you have DCA. You click on the start button, but make sure it's on DCA features. There's DCA sport. I'm talking about DCA features. All right, so click on the start button, and if you remember correctly, if you have watched the video I made on how to set up, I said you go to long. If you want to buy, you can also decide to sell. You can make money going up or down here in features. So you set all these parameters. You come here to select the coin you want. Okay, and then you set up the parameters you want to set for the trade to be taken. Then I also mentioned, I talked about cycle and I talked about single. Now the difference is under cycle, whenever you take a trade, the moment the trade closes, automatically the bot opens a new trade for you. Okay, now that is what I trained about in the video. That's for those who don't have time. They just want to set it up and walk away. They don't want to do anything manual. But here in this video, I want to show you how you can make more money by setting it on single, right? Because if you set it on cycle, your trade could hit a high point. Let me see if I can demonstrate that on the video. Now this is a 1 hour chart of XRP. Your trade could hit, imagine you took profit up here, all right, and then the robot buys for you, and then price starts going down. What's going to happen is you're going to have to wait for price to go back up before it hits your take profit. All right, now the beauty of using the manual method is if it hits take profit for you here, I mean the single, put it in on single instead of cycle. If it takes profit for you here, it will not take another trade because you have set it on single. It will wait for your next direction. What you now have to do is to wait. Just watch price as it keeps dropping, and then when it gets down here, you can now buy. It will be easier for you to make money as it's going up. You can take profit faster. Now, how do you know when price has dropped? How do you know, without checking the charts one by one? There is a special feature on the Utrading app which I so much love. It is under markets. Markets is down there. You click on markets and then you see these two candles up here. Yeah, you click on it and then it brings you here. I love this feature in Utrading. You know, this AI you are looking at right now, if they sold this differently for another $500 outside of this robot, trust me, it will be worth it. All right, so what does this mean? What are we looking at on our screen? We're looking at market sentiments. Right now there's plenty of fear in the market. You can see that the meter is fear here and greed here. The meter right now has more fear in it than greed, meaning a lot of the coins are in red. If you look at, a lot of the coins are in red. Out of 359 coins on the Utrading app, out of all the coins on Utrading app, 359 are in red, meaning they are falling down seriously. Only 15 are green. This is what you are looking for as a good opportunity to buy. Do you understand? This is a great opportunity for you to buy. So whenever you see fear in the market, it's time for you to get greedy, and whenever you see greed, it's time for you to get fearful. Assuming this was the other way around and everything was green, or most was green instead of red, then it's time for you to look for a sell opportunity. But in this case, I'm going to look for a buy opportunity. Preferably, I always like to go for buy rather than sell, because I know crypto can just start pumping up at any time. Someone can say something somewhere in the world and it just keeps going up. It can go down also, but I feel more comfortable buying and selling. That's me. So this is like the holy grail of crypto trading. If you can have access to this, know what market sentiment is saying at every time, know how much fear and greed are in the market, how much fear and greed are in the market at every time, you can take advantage of that and look for fantastic entry points. Right now, there's plenty of fear in the market. People are getting rid of their coins. So coins are very low, and you can confirm that on the chart. For instance, this is XRP. This is XRP. You can see this XRP coin. You can see how much it has dipped. This is a good, very good time for you to look for an opportunity to buy. Imagine you buy here and your take profit is here immediately, or well, very quickly. And it could be in a matter of minutes, you will take profit. All right. So that is the power of that feature in Utrading. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I've actually been looking at a particular coin. I've been looking at Dogecoin. All right, to take a buy on Dogecoin, and you can see price has really dipped. You can see how much it has gone down. So these are the things you look for. Go to markets and click on the look. To remind you how I got here, I went to market and then I clicked this up here, right? Exactly what you should do at every time if you are trading manually. If you don't mind using a few minutes to look at the market and take position yourself instead of putting it on cycle. Cycle is good for those who are busy, who don't want to do anything. And I can tell you there are so many people that are making good money if you put it on cycle. I know someone that put it on cycle in about 2 weeks, he has made over $300. Okay, but what I'm saying is this: if you have the time, you can do this as well. So you can see that the market is now on. Most coins are on short. They have gone down drastically. This is a good time for you to buy, because very soon this meter will come from greed to fear again, in which case all the coins, well, lots of the coins would have turned green. So before that happens, you come to the market here and look for a very good position to buy. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I want to buy this coin, Dogecoin. So I come over to my app, my Utrading app. Okay, I come to trade down here. Okay, using the DCA strategy, I click on trade. Make sure it is on manual up here, right? That's where you find the DCA strategy. You now scroll down to the last option. You now click on start, but make sure it's on DCA features, not spot. Okay. Now, you click on start. This is now where you set up as I taught you in the video. The only difference is we are going to leave it on single instead of cycle. You can put it on cycle also, but like I said, if you put it on cycle, it may buy for you at a high point, which you don't want. You want to buy at a low point when price has already dropped. That way you can make more money. You can be more deliberate in your trading. But if you don't have time, you are a very busy person, just put it on cycle. You will still make a lot of money that way also. So I come here, I click on long. I want to buy. Buy means long, short means sell. Then I come over to risk level. I don't want radical, I want steady. Then I come over to leverage. I change my leverage. I want to use a leverage of 10. Okay. Then my size multiple, I'm going to leave my size multiple on 1. Okay. I will not bother to explain all these things, what I mean. I've already done that in a previous video. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to even change the coin I'm trading. A big mistake. You have to first come here and select the coin. Right now I'm on Bitcoin. It's on Bitcoin by default. You have to come here and select the coin you want. This is what I want. Dogecoin. If the coin is not listed here, just come here and search for it. It's always there. So I click on Dogecoin. Okay. Then I click on long, like I said before. I come to risk level, is already unsteady. Then I come to leverage. I change my leverage. I change my leverage to times 10. Okay. Then I come to size multiple. I change it to 1. If you want to know what all these things mean, there are videos on the Telegram channel that have been done. You can go and study it. Then price gap. Okay, I'll leave it on 1.2. It's okay like that. Price gap. Then take profits. Take profit, I leave it on default. Take profit is 1.04. Sorry, take profit is here, 1.04. So I just look at it and then, okay, yeah, I forgot I have to put it on single. Remember, single means once this trade close, wait for me. Don't do anything else. Wait for me to look for another entry point. Then I change this. I click this on smart add position, and then very importantly, I come to initial position. Now the trade I want to take. Now the trade I want to take, the amount I'm going to risk, my initial position is going to be based on the capital I have. Okay, I have already done it, risking 2.5% of my account times the leverage I'm using. So I want to set this count to 26, and to do that I can either drag this, what I see here, this pointer here. As I drag it, you can see it's increasing. Okay, but I want to be more specific. I won't drag it. I'll just come here and change this 64. As I'm changing this 64, this one will be changing also. So I want to achieve 26 here. I can see that it's on 46 right now, so I'm going to increase this until I achieve 46. All right, at 26. So let me change this to 70. Too small. Let me change to 80, 90, 96. Okay, 99. Okay, let's say 98. All right, so you can see that this is close to 26. I changed it by dragging this one higher, putting this one higher. So I've already explained all this in previous videos. So I just look at it now. Just a review. This one is set. Smart add position is on. It's on single. Risk level is on steady. My leverage is times 10. Size multiple is 1. Price gap is 1.2. And take profit is 1.04. So when I'm sure all that is set, I now come here and I click on launch. The moment I click launch, that's all. Launch done. The trade is taken for me. All right. So that is how simple it is. That's how easy it is to set up this thing. I would have seen a pop-up, but I have put it on do not disturb. So let me remove the do not disturb. I put it on so that you will see the pop-up. Okay, it has actually taken the trade for me. If I go back to my app, I've entered the trade right here now on this Dodge. Let me see if I can. Here it is. No, I put my trade on do not disturb. That's why this didn't pop up. You can see buy bit. So once I click this now, you can see the buy. Let me zoom in a little. You can see that it has put in a buy for me right there. This is it right here, the buy. I have already bought there, expecting price to do what? Expecting price to go up like this, so I can take profit. And if I go to my bot, my Utrading bot, and I click on bot here at the bottom, I can see that it has taken the trade for me. Let me refresh that. Yeah, that's it. So this is the coin I bought, Dogecoin. This is the situation right now. I just took the trade and I am expecting this to go up and give me good profit. So once this one closes, I will go and I will wait for the market to dip again and I will buy again. And as I've done it on Dogecoin, I can do it on several coins. In my video, I taught you how to open 4 coins. I think I said Doge, ADA, XRP, and another coin. So you can choose any 4 coins, okay, and repeat the same process depending on the gas you have. So thank you so much. I hope this video helps. The purpose of this video is to let you know that you can put it on cycle and just forget it there. It will be making money for you, and people are making good money on cycle. Someone sent me a screenshot overnight this morning. The person started trading about 2 weeks ago and he has already made over $300 on cycle. He doesn't even look at it. The thing just closes and takes. All right, but if you have time, you can use this method of you deliberately going to the market and looking for where the market drops before you buy. All right, so thank you so much for your time. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Bye bye.